Waterproof gets thrown around a lot in flooring. In the next 5 minutes, I'm breaking down SPC versus high-performance laminate using Johnson Hardwood Skyview, Olde Tavern, and Bella Vista product series, and I'll tell you which one I'd choose for kitchens, basements, and busy pet homes. And yes, all three are part of our holiday sale right now. Hey guys, Jared here with TL Floor and Design in Lincoln, California. And if you're deciding between SPC rigid core and high performance laminate, this is the video for you because they can look similar online, but they don't behave the same in real life. Here's the simplest way to think about it. SPC is a rigid core vinyl product. It's built to be dimensionally stable and is often the go-to when moisture is a big concern. High performance laminate is laminate that's designed for today's home. Great visuals, strong wear performance, and a really nice feel underfoot. So the real question isn't which looks best, it's which one fits your home and your risk zones. See, when you break it down, there are really 4 differences that matter when comparing SPC and high performance laminate. Number 1, and perhaps the biggest difference, is water risk. If you're installing in a space with higher water risk, like a basement, mudroom, laundry area, or busy entry, SPC is generally the safer direction. The second difference between SPC and laminate is resistant to wear, scratches, and impact. People ask which one is more durable. For scratches, laminate wins. The top layer of laminate is melamine infused with aluminum oxide, the second hardest substance after diamonds. It resists sharp, sliding objects like dog claws. For dents, SPC wins. SPC's core is generally 70% limestone powder. It resists heavy, blunt force like a dropped can or heavy fridge legs that would crush laminate's wood fiber core. If you really want to get technical, laminate flooring uses an AC rating, abrasion class from AC1 to A6, with higher numbers meaning greater resistance to wear and scratches and impact. Think AC4 for busy homes and shops, AC5, AC6 for malls, airports. The third difference is thermal expansion. Think sunlight, kryptonite. Despite being made of stone, SPC is unstable in direct heat. The plastics in the core expand rapidly when heated, causing plates to peak and lift at the joints. As a matter of fact, many SPC warranties are voided if the floor surface temperature exceeds 85 to 100 degrees, or if it is exposed to direct sunlight without window coverings. Laminate is significantly more thermally stable due to its wood-based structure. Professional guidelines even specifically warn that SPC in 3-season rooms or sunrooms often require a glue-down installation to prevent failure. Okay, now the fourth difference. How flat is your subfloor? Both SPC and laminate can be floating click floors, but a flat, properly prepped subfloor is a huge part of how the floor performs and how it feels. SPC is unforgiving. Because it is thinner, often 6 to 8 millimeters, and rigid, it acts like tracing paper for your subfloor imperfections. Industry standards for SPC require subfloor flatness within 3/16 inch over 10 feet, or 3 millimeters over 2 meters. If you miss a spot, the rigid plank rocks like a seesaw, eventually snapping the brittle locking mechanism. Laminate, 8 to 12 millimeters thick, is more forgiving and can bridge minor dips. So if your subfloor isn't ideal, definitely go with the high performance laminate. Now that you have a good understanding of SPC and laminate and their differences, let's take a look at our products featured today. On this SPC side, we have Johnson Hardwood Skyview. If your top concern is moisture-prone areas or you want a floor that's generally lower stress around everyday mess, Skyview is the SPC lane in this comparison. On the high-performance laminate side, we have the Olde Tavern series. This one is for people who love more rustic, reclaimed character, more texture, more personality, while still being built for our daily life. And then we have our Bella Vista series, which is also a high-performance laminate, but it leans more refined and elevated. Great if you want that centerpiece floor look in the main living areas. FYI, remember the wear classes we were discussing earlier. Olde Tavern is positioned around an AC4 wear class. Bella Vista is around an AC5 wear class. Always confirm on the exact product spec for the color you're choosing. Up next, I'm going to go over my picks and recommendations room by room. For a kitchen, I generally lean SPC if you're a real life household, because the risk isn't just spills, it's spills you don't notice right away. If your kitchen is more controlled and you love the laminate look and feel, laminate is a great choice. Just commit to wiping up sooner rather than later. For a basement or any area where moisture is a bigger unknown, SPC is typically the safer direction. For busy pet homes, it comes down to your biggest issue. If your concern is accidents as water spills or wet paws, I might lean towards SPC. If your concern is traffic wear and how long it's gonna last and you want a warmer, more traditional feel, a high-performance laminate like Olde Tavern series or Bella Vista can be a fantastic option. Right now, Johnson's Hardwood Skyview series, Olde Tavern, and Bella Vista are all part of our holiday sale at TL Floor & Design. If you want help picking the right floor category, high-performance laminate versus SPC, and the right color for your space, come see the samples in person and we'll walk you through it. Drop a comment, Team Laminate or Team SPC? Which line is your favorite? And if you want more side-by-side flooring comparisons, make sure you like and subscribe. Happy holidays.